Welcome to the session of the MEVN stack tutorial, Mongo Express View and Node, where we are building the to-do application. In the previous video, we'll see the get all to-dos route with the repository, service routes, all the things. We will do same for the rest of the routes. We have the create to do, uh, find one to do by providing the to do ID, update to do, and the delete to do. So first I will add those methods in the to do repository class. So let's start. So here I I added a create method where I am creating the model, creating a new object of the to-do models, and I am saving it. If there is any error, I am throwing the API error with the status code 500 internal server error. Next, I have the find one. So find a to-do by ID. So here I will pass the ID which I will get from the path param, and I am using here the find one method to find the ID by providing this ID in the underscore ID, which is the object ID of the document in the collection. And next we have the update. In case of the update, I have this updated body and I have the filter. So based on this filter, I am finding the a document which I need to update, and I am passing the updated payload. Next, I have the delete, and in case of the delete, I am querying by provided ID, and I am deleting this document from the collection. Next, I will do same for the service. Same four methods I will add in the service file, the todo.service.js. Next, I will add the routes for the same. So let's take a look if there is any error. So everything is fine. Now I will test those routes. Uh, let's quickly open the rest.html and create the to do. Before testing this post route where I am posting the JSON data as a payload, I have to add the JSON parser middleware in the app.js. So let's add. Now let's test. Send request, and you can see there is the 200 response, which means the request is successful. It successfully created the to do. Now I will create the to do, and here this was there before, and this we created just now. Same, I will test the get to do by ID. Plus here it's giving me the to do object. Next I will update, and here it's 200. And so I able to debug this issue. So I am previously I am not sending this ID in the update method of the service. It's asking for the ID, and also the repository is asking for the ID. So now I am providing this ID, and I have to test. It should be fine. So let's send the request, and you can see it's giving me the 200 request. And if I query the same, you can see it's updated, and the its description is also updated. Okay, Next we have the delete. Send request. So delete is not working here. I have to debug. So in the case API, it's looks like okay. In case of the service, if you see, we don't need to return here. So here I have to remove this thing and just this calling. And if I check the repository, uh, this one, okay. So let's test. You can see it's giving me 200, and if I have to do and this one deleted. I also can delete this one, send request, and it's empty array. Okay, so we added all the routes. Now in the next session, I will add the test scripts with Mocha and Supertest to test all the APIs. Okay, thank you.